Biren was attending a crucial meeting today at Classic Grand in Chingmairong, Imphal, where BJP National General Secretary Ram Madhav and state BJP ministers and MLAs were present. With high expectation of producing sufficient food grains for next year amid the COVID-19 pandemic, many farmers in Senapati district expanded their cultivation this year. However, much to their dismay and painful sight, more than 30 paddy fields were damaged by flood and subsequent mudslide last week. Manipur reported 7 new COVID-19 positive cases till this morning, according to an official report. These new cases have increased the state's COVID-19 tally to 928 with 690 active cases. 250 individuals were recovered or discharged. However, no coronavirus fatality has been registered in the state as of today. Assam's COVID-19 positive case count crossed 6,000 mark with the latest 203 fresh cases, taking the total tally to 6,056. According to media report, 3,762 individuals have recovered from the disease in the state. Assam has now 2,079 active cases and 11 people have died of the disease till death. Meanwhile, in view of the rising COVID-19 positive cases in the state, the Assam government on Tuesday announced a total lockdown in 11 wards of Guwahati. The total lockdown order will come into effect from 9 p.m. on June 23rd. In yet another biggest single-day spike, India recorded nearly 16,000 new cases of the novel coronavirus today. India also saw a spike of 465 deaths due to COVID-19 today, taking the death toll to 14,476. As per the Union Health and Family Welfare Minister's updated data, India saw as many as 15,968 fresh cases of coronavirus in the last 24 hours, ending this morning. As per reports, India's total tally of 4,56,183 coronavirus cases includes 1,83,022 active cases, while 2,58,685 have recovered and 14,476 deaths have been reported. A combined team of Army and Bishnupur Commando arrested an active cadre of proscribed militant group UNLF at Khairakpam Bridge located along Tidim Road in Bishnupur district last evening. A police report said today that the arrested has been identified as Rajesh Kumar Singh alias Aboiton, aged 27 years, son of H. Rajen Kumar Singh of Hayangoithong Maninglekai. Chairman and Village Chief of Pangkot 5 Village Authority under Tausem Subdivision of Tamenglong District P. Deha Chongloi has appealed to all picnickers and tourists not to dump trash into Pangkot 5 waterfall. He also appealed that washing of vehicle in the waterfall should be stopped immediately. Mizoram was once again hit by an earthquake this morning. According to reports, the tremor measured 4.1 on Richter scale. The epicenter of the earthquake was at 31 km south-southwest of Champhai and 10 km depth, according to the National Center of Seismology (NCS). This was the second earthquake that hit the state during last 9 hours. To check the further spread of novel coronavirus, every house in Delhi will be screened by July 6. The government has said as it revises its COVID response plan according to reports. Yesterday, Delhi saw the biggest single-day spike in case of coronavirus after it crossed the 66,000 mark and stands at second position in the country behind Maharashtra in terms of total coronavirus cases. Army Chief General M.M. Naravan is scheduled to visit forward areas in Ladakh today, a day after he met the soldiers injured in Galwan Valley clashes with Chinese troops on June 15 in Leh. The meeting of the Working Mechanism for Consultation and Coordination on India-China Border Affairs is also scheduled today. Patanjali Ayurved Limited, the company promoted by Yoga Guru Ramdev, has been asked by the government to provide details of the medicines launched by it as an alleged treatment for the patients of coronavirus disease COVID-19 patients. A media report said the Ministry of Ayurveda, Yoga and Natural Therapy, Unani, Siddha and Homeopathy Ayush has ordered Patanjali to stop advertising the products Coronil and Swasari. It has also warned Patanjali to stop misleading advertising until the result is verified.